Click on the link below to get price. The 2500W gas-powered portable inverter generator is an impressive piece of equipment that is perfect for a variety of outdoor activities, emergency power needs, or even as a reliable backup for your home. One of the standout features of this generator is its impressive power output. With 2,500 watts, it can effectively handle essential appliances like refrigerators, lights, and small power tools, making it an excellent choice for camping, tailgating, or even job sites. One of the key selling points of this generator is its quiet operation. Unlike traditional generators that can be incredibly loud and disruptive, this inverter generator operates at a noise level comparable to a normal conversation. This is particularly beneficial for camping or during power outages when you don't want to disturb your neighbors or compromise the peace of nature. The low decibel rating makes it an ideal choice for nighttime use as well. Safety is another critical aspect of this generator, as evidenced by its built-in carbon monoxide (CO) sensor. This feature automatically shuts down the generator if CO levels become hazardous, providing peace of mind when using it in enclosed spaces or during extended periods. Additionally, the generator complies with EPA regulations, ensuring it meets stringent environmental standards. Fuel efficiency is also commendable, with this generator providing extended run times on a single tank. This means fewer refuels during your outdoor activities or during emergencies, which is a significant convenience. Portability is enhanced by its relatively lightweight design and included carry handles, making it easy to transport. Overall, the 2500W gas-powered portable inverter generator hits the mark for anyone seeking a reliable, efficient, and safe power source. Its combination of quiet operation, safety features, and robust power output make it suitable for a variety of situations, ensuring you can stay powered up whenever and wherever you need it. Whether for leisure or necessity, this inverter generator is a solid investment.